I'm Mrinal Aggarwal, Vice President Operations and Marketing, representing Him Teknoforge Ltd. We are a well-established Tier 1 supplier serving the Indian automotive industry for over 4 decades now. We're primarily into suspension, differential, transmission, and steering components, and we're also listed on the stock exchange. We're quite thrilled this time. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we were unable to, exhibit a couple of years back. But since then, there have been some exciting new developments. We would have a separate area for recently, we've developed some hydraulic axle components, which are for our overseas customers, uh, being primarily used in the material handling industry, and some of those components are also developed for the electric axle and some other electric vehicles. So that's somewhat of an exciting new portfolio which is there. Previously, we launched some warm forging components, so we've developed more components on that front, and we're very glad to be serving clients not only in India but overseas as well. Having said that, I mean, Him Teknoforge has a wide variety of components. We've developed some brake shaft kits, we've developed some steering kits. There are some assemblies for our export clients. Not only this, the company's also ventured into machined castings, and recently we've installed state-of-art 5-axis Mazak machining centers, and we're also looking at developing some suspension assemblies for some of our key clients who are at a decent size in the commercial vehicle space. So there are a bunch of products. I wish I could complete all of them right now, but these would be the major ones, the new ones, and we look forward to welcoming everybody to our stall to get a better idea of the products that we're able to deliver to our customers. Primarily or historically, we started off as a forging company, but I'm proud to say that the value add that we bring to the table is that Him Technoforge is a one-stop shop, and we're, like I said, we're not only in suspension, we're not only in forged and machine parts, but we have a wide array of products. So from a small product serving low volumes to, let's say, a bigger part, almost 40 kilos, and high volumes, we're right out there, and serving about 17, 18 OEMs, not only in India, but across the globe, has given us an edge to, understand our customer better, understand their needs better, and eventually to supply the right product at the right time at the right price. There's no two doubts about it. Automechanika has a wide outreach, not only in India, but across the globe, be it Turkey, be it Germany, be it, Dubai or India. We've been visiting Automechanika at different places, but in Delhi, obviously, this time with the bronze partners also, we've been doing it since 2015. And like I said, it's not only for us, the aftermarket segment is more dependent on the European front, because we have huge parts, kingpin kits, SCAN kits, repair kits for MAN, Scania, Iveco, DAF, Mercedes-Benz. So that's the replacement market segment that we're looking at. Also, historically, and with our experience, because Him Technoforge, the other vertical, we're primarily tier 1 suppliers. So we've had a chance to, interact and meet and showcase our products to some good OEMs, really big OEMs who are well established in the Indian market and overseas. So we're looking forward to, sort of meeting everyone again, friends, colleagues from the industry, and, obviously OEMs and the replacement market segment. So replacement market is more overseas, and OEMs would be domestic as well as export. So we're looking at clients, from all spaces. and that's how it's been historically also. So hoping for a good event and a good turnout, and looking forward to seeing everyone after a slow COVID season, which is obviously now in the past. So that's what we're looking forward to this time.